Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the different modifications I got on my CSC TT250. First off here is the JFG exhaust from Amazon. It was pretty easy to install. A lot of people say that they have to fabricate the flange. Mine fit on perfectly, so I didn't have to cut it down or do none of that. One thing I did have to do was fabricate together a little mount. Put that together. See if you can get a good look. That's just mounted up to the seat here, the frame, not the seat. Yeah, these are the holes from the old exhaust, but a lot of people say that when they have changed the exhaust that there's not enough clearance on the clutch lever here. There's plenty of clearance to the air box. Install, like I said, was easy. Just got to do a few fabrication stuff. Another thing I put on was this gear shifter from CSC Motorcycles. You can just go on their website and you'll find it on there under the TT250 accessories parts. Pretty easy, just a bolt. Yeah. That's basically all I got on my TT250 right now. I did change out the 49, or the rear tooth, or the rear sprocket, sorry, 49 tooth. It originally comes with the 50. I did purchase the 47 tooth, so I'll be changing that here pretty soon. I also use this heat wrap and this exhaust system sealer. Nobody said it was necessary for the heat wrap, but I just put it on just to be safe. I also have a 115 jet, so I did swap that out. They say you do have to use a new jet, or they say you do have to swap out your jet and put a different one in there. But yeah, that's basically all the mods I got. It's pretty easy. Definitely made the bike a lot quicker. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.